Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over the money management tool that I absolutely love to use. It's called Personal Capital, because I have heard too many people say, oh, I forgot about this subscription that I have, and I finally checked my bank account, and it's been going on for a year, I completely forgot about it. Or people just saying they aren't very good at budgeting their money. They have a hard time keeping track of everything that's coming in and going out, and they don't want to take the time to sit down and write out all of their expenses every month. So if you struggle with budgeting your money, or maybe you need a better outlook on your retirement accounts, what you are investing, and the fees associated with that, Personal Capital is a great free resource that will help you manage your money a lot better and give you a clearer picture on your full financial situation. You can see your net worth in there. You can analyze what you're invested in compared to the S&P 500 and a few different other things. They just have such a robust system that I really like Personal Capital. And honestly, I use Mint as well, mint.com, but Mint doesn't have as good of a retirement section inside of their application. So that is one of the major reasons I prefer Personal Capital over Mint. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I personally use this and I check it almost every day. It helps me to manage my finances better. I just want to share this money management tool because it has improved my life so much, and it is so helpful and really easy to use. So if you don't want to sit down and write out all of your expenses, then definitely check this out. And in a minute, I'm going to share my screen with you and go over all of the benefits that Personal Capital has. So if you are ready to dive right in, hit that like button and we're going to get started. Here is personalcapital.com, so you can see what it looks like, and it will give you a 360-degree view of your money, everything that's going on with your money, because you can hook all of your financial institutions into Personal Capital. So all of your checking, savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, your retirement accounts, everything. You can set up and track a budget in here if you want to. And you can keep an eye on your investments. You can see when you receive dividends, things like that. You can plan for your retirement, which is amazing. I love this part of Personal Capital. And if you wanted to take it one step further, you can schedule a call with one of their advisors and pay for a service that way. But all of their tools are completely free. So I want to show you how it shows your net worth, because this is awesome. As soon as you log into your account, it will show you your net worth right on the left side if you're doing it on your computer, or just right at the top if you are using the application. So you can see in their little video over here, it shows your net worth and then all of your assets, your liabilities, and then you can see a breakdown of all of your accounts right over to the left. So all of your investment accounts and your credit accounts. And then it gives you this nice little dashboard in the middle, so you can see when your net worth went up or even when it decreased. You can see your cash flow, how much is coming in, how much is going out each month, and you can set up that budget if you want to. You can set certain categories, and you can see exactly how much you're spending on your mortgage payment or insurance or gasoline, whatever it is. And then it will show you your portfolio balance over time, so you can keep track of your investments, and then of course the retirement amount that you have. So it's just a great little app to check out your entire financial situation. And I've actually logged into my account because I wanted to show you guys this. It's pretty cool. This is their retirement fee analyzer. So you can click on planning right here, and there's a retirement planner, savings, retirement fee analyzer, that's where we are right now, and investment checkup. So you can enter in whatever amounts you want to, or you can have it pull directly from Personal Capital. But you can see by contributing a certain amount, right now I have, if you were to contribute $12,000 each year into your investment accounts, and maybe you do have an employer match, maybe they match $400. And the annual growth, I have it set at 8%, which is average for the stock market. And then over here, you can play with the fees. So right now I have it set at 0.05 for your fees. And this is all of the different expense ratios that you have associated with each fund that you're invested in. So if you're invested in an index fund that follows the total stock market, then for my example, it would be 0.04% expense ratio. And then they will share exactly how much you're paying in fees per year based on that fund. So right now it shows 2% of earnings lost to fees. So annual fees per year are at 0.08%. The benchmark where they say you want to be is 0.5%. So if we were to increase this, and let's say we were paying a financial advisor and we were paying them 1%, you can see now it changed this to 21% of our earnings lost to fees, which is huge. So that takes off 2 years in retirement. So you could have retired 2 years earlier if you would have kept your fees as low as possible. And it shows you the totals right here, total contributions just over 509,000. And I set this up from age 39 to age 60. So you can change that, you can edit your assumptions. So you can change your retirement age, maybe you want to retire at 65 instead. And it asks you for your company size and how aggressive you want to be with your risk tolerance. So if you didn't want to be so aggressive, then you could select maybe conservative down here, and it will change all of these amounts up here. So now you can see that a total of 24% of your earnings would be lost to fees, and you would lose 3 years in retirement instead of 2 years. So you can just play around with this and check out how much you're actually losing by paying higher fees. So maybe if you're comparing two different funds that you want to invest in and one has a higher expense ratio, you can come in here and see what the return would be and how much you would be losing. And that way you can see, okay, well, it's worth it because maybe that fund has a higher growth percentage. Maybe it's all the way up to 9%. So you can just play around with this, which is really, really cool. And then I want to show you the retirement planner. So this will tell you how good of shape you're in to retire when you want to. So right now I'm at 99%, which is excellent shape. You can come down to the bottom and update your savings amount. You can have it show what is actually in your personal capital account, so it's pulling from the accounts you have linked to it, or if it's something different, then you can update that and change it. And then also retirement spending, you can change that as well, whatever you think you're going to be spending in retirement. And then it shows you this graph up here, and you can see, okay, if these conditions remain the same, then by age 100, this is what the amount would be in your retirement accounts. So pretty cool. And then I also want to show you under investing, you can check out your performance over time. So you can see exactly how well you've done compared to the US stock market or foreign stocks, US bond, foreign bond, or alternatives. The blue line is my investments that I have, and then the orange line is the US stock market. So you can see I follow the US stock market pretty closely with my own investments, but I am a little bit above the US stock market, so that makes me feel pretty good. But you can just kind of take a look at this and see how you are doing. Are you outperforming the market if you're investing in individual stocks? And if you're not, maybe you should just switch over to a stock market fund. But that's just kind of fun to play with. So there's lots of different options in here. You can see your individual holdings, so it pulls from your retirement accounts exactly what you're invested in. You can see the total balances and the allocation you have. Maybe you are heavily allocated in stocks and you need to move some of that money over to bonds, the US sectors. And you can also just take a look at the banking side of things. You can check out your cash flow, you can set up that budget if you want to, and you can take a look at your bills and make sure that you've paid everything on time. It will show you your last payment that you've made. And then with the overview, you can go to your dashboard, and this will look just like what we saw in that video from Personal Capital. You can check out your net worth and see how it's grown over time or maybe gone down over time. And then you can take a look at all of your transactions over time. And this is really nice if you're looking for maybe a specific transaction. Maybe you bought something and it's broken and you want to return it, but you're not sure which credit card you bought it on. You can come in here and do a search for the place that you bought it at. So it's really just convenient. It's a convenient way to keep an eye on all of your finances, and especially if you are one that forgets about subscriptions that you've signed up for, or you just have a hard time keeping an eye on your money, because you can open this app on your phone every day and it will take maybe 30 seconds or so to load your accounts, refresh everything, and then you can have a clear picture on exactly what is happening with your finances. You can see if a payment was made or if there was income that came in, and just track your money better. And over on the left, you can see your net worth and all of the different accounts that you have, how much money is in each individual account, or if it's a mortgage, how much is left on your mortgage. Another nice thing is that if you have a car, you can enter the amount that your car is worth so that you are tracking that actual net worth. And if you have properties, then you can enter in the amount that the property is worth, or they can even pull the amount from Zillow. So it just gives you a really clear picture on your complete net worth. So this is just a quick overview on Personal Capital. You can see how it works, what it looks like, some features and benefits in there. And if you're wondering if this is safe to hook all of your financial institutions to Personal Capital, I've never had any problems with Personal Capital, or Mint for that matter. And I've been using it for quite a long time. So I personally trust the website and don't have any issues that way. All right, hopefully that was helpful, and you can actually see what Personal Capital offers and how you could use it yourself to improve your money management and improve your investments. And I do have my referral link below in the description, so if you do want to get a free $20 gift card to Amazon, you can use that link, and you just need to hook one of your investment accounts to Personal Capital. And as a side note, if you are interested in getting 2 free stocks, Webull is doing a promotion right now. If you open a free account with them and then deposit at least $100, you'll get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. I'll leave my referral link below in the description if you want to get 2 free stocks. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with someone else who would like to hear this information. And please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will really help me out, and we can get this content out to more people. And don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified on when I do post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.